John and Kevin attend different schools and sit exams graded on different scales. John scores 58 out of 80 points, while Kevin earns 50 out of 60. Eager to see who did better, they realize raw scores alone don't tell the whole story. After all, 58 feels high, but so does 50. What do you think? If both have points out of same points, wouldn't it be easy to compare? That's where percent helps us. Percent literally means per 100. Converting a score to a percent tells us, out of 100, how many points did you earn? First, write their points in fraction. We can see Kevin's points are 50 out of 60. So 50 is in numerator and 60 is in denominator. Same with John's points, who have 58 out of 80. So 58 is in numerator and 80 is in denominator. Then let's convert Kevin's points out of 1. To achieve that, we need to make 60 into 1, which can be done by dividing 60 by 60. And as we already know, to keep the value of fractions same, if we are performing divide on denominator, then we have to do division with numerator also. So we will divide 50 by 60, which becomes 0.8333. So now our fraction is 0.833 by 1. Now, if we want to make it out of 100, so we need to make denominator 100, which can be done by multiplying 1 with 100. And to keep the value of fractions same, we need to multiply numerator with 100 also. So we get 83.33 divided by 100. We will do same with John's points also. For John's points, we get 72.5 out of 100. We can see that Kevin have 83.3 points out of 100, and John have 72.5 points out of 100. So we can see that Kevin did a bit better than John. These points out of 100 are called percent. In other words, Kevin have 83.3% and John have 72.5%. There is a simple formula to calculate percent, which is amount divided by total amount and whole multiply with 100. With this formula, we can easily calculate percent. Now we know how to calculate percent out of total amount, but what about when we are already given some percent of total amount? In that case, how to get real amount out of total amount? It's the same method. Let's suppose we want to buy a shirt whose cost is 350 units and there is a sale going on, which tells we can get 30% discount, means we have to pay 30% less. But how much is 30% of 350? So as we already know, percent is out of 100, so we can write it like 30 by 100. And then we will first make it out of 1. To do that, we will divide both denominator and numerator with 100, which becomes 0.3 by 1. To make this fraction out of 350, we will multiply numerator and denominator with 350, which results in 105 by 350. So we can see that 30% discount on 350 units means 105 units of discount. Formula for this can be written as percent divided by 100 and whole multiplied with total amount. Thanks for watching, and comment any basic math topic for next video.